slurping now, Tigs.
There!
Tigs, stop slurp! Take the cushions off her ears!
Right, there!
Are you all right, Tigs?
No.
Up.
Hit.
Phew. Oh, it's time for round 3!
All right.
Makku, I want to work with you. Makku.
Are you sure you're all right? Carry on, Tigs.
Yes. Kick. No thanks to you two. Zap. Kick.
Oh, she's broken that tile!
She meant to, actually, Makku. She's going to use the pieces to make another mosaic.
What a great...
Oh. Oh, dearie me, Mr. Cheese. What am I going to do?
Oh, dear.
What do you think you're doing? It's very dangerous to scare a tiger like that, especially a nervous and delicate tiger like myself. That was a cruel and unkind trick to play. What have you got to say for yourselves?
Oh, we're not saying sorry.
But,
Oh, listen, Tigs.
what? Well, I can't hear anything.
Exactly! We stopped your hiccups.
They've gone. They really have gone.
That was the last cure for hiccups we knew. To give the hiccuper a shock. You don't mind, do you?
Mind? Oh, I could kiss you both, yes. In fact, I think I will. Mwah! Oh, no. Oh, but look. It knocked my plate off of the chair and it smashed to smithereens. Oh, now we won't be able to make a mosaic.
Oh,
Yes, we will. Instead of sticking the modelling clay to the plate, we can stick the plate to the modelling clay. No, wait there, hang on. That's it.
Is
If that
that-
bit, oh, that goes there, and then we'll just
Makku?
stick that bit there. Okay, this is great. Yeah, and ta-da!
brilliant.
Oh, it's the end of the show. Just when I was feeling better.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Oh, no.